Okay, many of you guys have heard or actually done this, is camping in your Tesla. Tesla makes it super easy with camp mode. But have you heard of living in your Tesla? That's right, full time. That means sleeping, working, studying, reading, showering, cooking. Everything that you would do in your home is now your Tesla. You don't have a stationary house, you have a moving house, a house that can take you anywhere. Today we're going to talk to someone who's doing just that, how he does it, how he's able to do it, and how you could potentially do the same. Let's take a look. Okay, this is a brand new 2023 Tesla Model X, and we're going to talk to Sandro, who's actually living in this vehicle full time. Hello, Sandro. Sandro, do you mind taking us through how you live in your Tesla?
Yeah, I would love to. This is my mobile home. Her name is Beluga.
Let's go on a tour of this home on wheels.
My everything at the moment, I narrowed down to basically live full time in here. I've been doing it for 10 months almost. I've been the happiest I've ever been. I think that's the most important thing. Number one reason why I wanted to get a Tesla was it's the ultimate stealth vehicle, in my opinion, because it has with camping mode, and yeah, so I can set the cabin at a desired temperature and sleep very comfortable in winter and with the Californian sun. I'm originally from the Netherlands. I've been in the United States for about 10 years. I used to live in a Model 3 and I sold that, and now I have a Model X. I built a full kitchen. I wanted more sleeping space. Yeah, so I have a telescope kitchen. This is basically my 2.0 kitchen. My 1.0 was out of my Model 3 and I learned a lot from that build. So it comes out of my trunk. 2 slide-out drawers. I got running water right here, which is connected to a 5-gallon jug underneath that I refill at Planet Fitness. And then I have my dual burner stove. And then I have another miniature slide-out drawer right here with some miscellaneous chips, because underneath here, that's where I have my camera gear, my camera bag. I have some other clothes underneath. Like, this is pretty much my whole wardrobe right here. At night, I pull down the back seat like this. I grab my pillows, I toss it to the side, and then I have these 2 foam mattress pieces that I slide right here. So basically, this is my setup. First things first, I actually don't use camping mode. I keep climate on. I turn my Bluetooth off from my phone, which means that if someone gets near my car at night, Sentry mode will alert me, so I have the upper hand. A camping mode, there's no other safety features, right? There's a bunch of things that are disabled. And I have this privacy screen right here that I set up at night, which means that it separates myself from the cabin, from the front. And with my tinted windows, it's really hard to see inside. But let me show you guys my next piece.
Yeah.
So I have the Astro AL 22-liter fridge right here, and it's powered. I keep it up in the front because there is no engine in here. So this is my 3rd piece of my mattress. So I can take my kitchen out and then I could put this in the center, and then I have a whole bed to sleep on. And then I have my hiking boots because I like to go on hikes. Well, I have a ceramic coating on the whole car. Then I have PPF in the high impact areas. I think one of the favorite places I've ever been is the most southern tip of Florida, which is the Key West. And now I'm gonna go to the most northern tip of Alaska. I'm trying to make it, see how far I can take my Tesla.
All right, cool. So Sandro, tell me, if people watching this might, want to do something similar or feel inspired to do something similar, what's something that you have learned from all of your, I know it hasn't been like a long time, but it's probably a lot longer than somebody watching this video. What's your advice to them that's looking into getting on, living on 4 wheels?
Go do it, simple as that. Like, make a list of things you have to take care of, for legal reasons, other stuff. But go do it, and I don't think particularly you need even a Tesla to do this. Like, I've seen other people do it in their Subarus, like in their Nissan Leafs. I think with the Tesla, with just the simple software baked into the car, it makes life so easy. Like on really hot days like today, I could camp out here and be fine.
What would you say is your total invested cost on being able to do this?
I would say $600–700.
Not
you know,
bad.
Not that much relatively, and like you already have clothes, so you don't have to buy clothes just for the road.
Pretty much like a couple days in a hotel.
Yeah.
is what it's going to cost you, and then now you can go anywhere. So appreciate you kind of sharing your life on the road and this lifestyle to others and inspire others, and wish you all the luck in your journeys. And if you want to follow Sandro, check out the links down below to his Instagram, his YouTube. He's making, you know, vlog content to kind of show you what it's like being on the road. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks a lot, Sandro.
But thanks for having me, man.
Yeah, absolutely.